My name's Shannon Cunningham and I work in Outer West Surestart, and today I'm going to read to you a book about Father Christmas Needs a Wee. Father Christmas needs a wee. He's been drinking drinks since 3:30. At number 1, 1 hot chalk, yum. At number 2, 2 plates of stew. At number 3, 3 cups of tea. At number 4, he had 4 more. At number 5, 5 pops with pies. At number 6, fruit mix, all 6. At number 7, milk, 7, pure heaven. At number 8, 8 cool milkshakes. At number 9, 9 lemon and limes. At number 10, 10 teas, and then I think that you will clearly see why Father Christmas needs a wee. But oh, what with all those drinks in mind, he forgot to leave the presents behind. And so, at number 10 he left 10 pens. At number 9, 9 nursery rhymes. At number 8, 8 pairs of skates. At number 7, sweets, 7 more heaven. At number 6, 6 colourful bricks. At number 5, 5 toys to drive. At number 4, 4 beasts that roar. At number 3, 3 Christmas trees. At number 2, 2 cows that moo. At number 1, 1 pup that runs. And so at last his work is done. And now it's time for him to flee, for Father Christmas needs a wee. Through the town, across the sky, the sledge it raises high. Above the clouds and over the sea, he must be quick 'cause he needs a wee. At last he's back at home all safe. Just look at that smile upon his face. He feels in his pocket, but where is the key? For Father Christmas needs a wee. An elf with a gift appears by the door. I found this key just here on the floor. He thanks the elf and turns the lock. He runs up the stairs right to the top. And there is the loo, he shuts the door. Oh, happy Christmas, we hear him roar. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi everybody, happy Christmas. We've got a few wee songs for you to sing along to today. I hope you enjoy them. Our first song is I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. I don't want a doll, no dinky tinker toy. I want a hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. I don't think Santa Claus will mind, do you? He won't have to use a dirty chimney flue. Just bring him through the front door, that's the easy thing to do. I can see me now on Christmas morning creeping down the stairs. Oh, what joy and what surprise when I open up my eyes and see a hippo hero standing there. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. No crocodiles, no rhinoceroses. I only like hippopotamuses, and hippopotamuses like me too. Mom says a hippo will eat me up, but then teacher says that hippo is a vegetarian. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. I don't want a doll, no dinky tinker toy. I want a hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. No crocodiles, no rhinos. Right, boys and girls, we'll give this one a wee go. This is called Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. Rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rockin' around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. So, our last song is a nice wee slow one, and it is called Silent Night, and the Irish version is Icha Huing. Icha Huing, Icha Victe, Kort Nasur, Bishare, Bishes Dilsha, Ik Farles Pesh, Nibag Niyal Kanan Peshkve, Krishna Kala Goshe, Krishna Kala Goshe. Icha Huin, Icha Victe, Kort Nasur, Bishare, Bishes Dilsha, Ik Farles Pesh, Nibag Niyal Kanan Peshkve, Krishna Kala Goshe, Krishna Kala Goshe. Alright. Icha Huin, Icha Victe, Kort Nasur, Bishare, Bishes Dilsha, Ik Farles Pesh, Nibag Niyal Kanan Peshkve, Krishna Kala Goshe, Krishna Kala Goshe. No, we got it.